Hey, in this video, we're gonna take a look at this DVD box to show you guys. This is The King of Staten Island and John Wick Chapter 3 Parabellum. We got some Dollar Tree and Target today. So let's start with The King of Staten Island. So Pete Davidson. This one right here. Hilarious and heartfelt. Peter Trevor's Rolling Stone, and this from a director of Trainwreck and Knocked Up. Here's a look at the front, you can see here. Here's a look at the side, and then here on the back you can see here. Packed with hilarious is a bonus features, alternate endings, is a deleted scenes, gag reel, featuring comedy. Some universal and rated R. So let's open this bad boy up. This thing here. And this is a disc of The King of Staten Island. So that's The King of Staten Island. So let's go. Well, this one is John Wick 3, Chapter 3, Parabellum. This one is Keanu Reeves. This one was a movie of John Wick and John Wick Chapter 2. Yep, yes it is. So now I got this one right here. So here's a look at the front, you can see here. Here's the side. Here's the back. Hands down, one of the year dispatch action movies. Insanely explosive to fisted nation. Here's some Lionsgate, and this rated R. Let's get open. Here's the disc of John Wick Chapter 3 Parabellum. So that is The King of Staten Island and John Wick Chapter 3 Parabellum. I hope you enjoyed this movie. So this way, take care. See you next time.